Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new hair unboxing. So this wig is from Rich Girl on AliExpress. I ordered this myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored at all. This is a 13 by 6, 250% density, 40-inch wig. It came so quickly. We're going to hop into all the information on this wig and actually open this package in a little bit. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So, just in case you're wondering, I'm wearing a 613 wig from Obsolete Hair that I also bought myself. I did an unboxing, a review, and I did a tutorial on how I got this color. It's already on my channel, so check those videos out. I'm also going to link this wig if you want to check this wig out. But it's about this 40-inch right now. Let me go ahead and get my little scissors. Had some Wing Guru today. Shout out to Wing Guru, a local business in Memphis. This wig came so quickly. The company responded so quickly. Like, I asked them, like always, I tell you all to message companies before you actually order from them and ask, hey, do you have the 13 by 6, 250% density, 36-inch wig in stock, whatever inch, whatever lace you want in stock? Because sometimes they just have it up and then they won't even have that wig available and you'll be waiting maybe 2 weeks or so for them to actually make the wig. So definitely always message them before you actually give them your money. They actually responded to me like at 7 a.m. Usually the companies won't respond until like nighttime because that's when it's daytime in China. But they responded to me really quickly. So here's the package. It says Rich Girl on it. It's pink. We have a little pink moment going on right now. And I'm going to miss this pink hair for sure. Like, it's giving. I'm definitely going to miss it. There's a little heaviness to it. So that's a good sign that this is an actual like high density wig. So it came with like lashes, a wig cap. I think that's all. Yeah, just lashes and a wig cap. This is a 13 by 6 straight wig. At least it should be. Like, just looking in the package, it looks like it may be pretty thick. The lace is really, let me take it out for you all. Let me take it out. So right here you see it says 40 inches, 13 by 6, 250% density. But let's see if this hair is actually giving. So this is their straight hair. Let's see. The lace is really, really beautiful. Hold on, let me show you all. It's not like that grayish color or anything like that. I can see that from looking at the hair right now. This hair is really thick. This is something like... Let's start from the top and go to the bottom. So here's the lace. It's not like HD, but this is transparent lace and should be really easy to work with. So this is the amount of parting space they give you. Once again, you get a lot of parting space in the middle and then not so much on the sides. Like, you get maybe 2 inches of parting space over on the side. Don't like that, but that's just the way a lot of companies do nowadays. So let's actually get into this hair thickness. So the hair is, oh, it's giving Jada, right? This is giving Jada. This is thick. Okay, this is okay. That is moving. Hold on now, like this is some thick hair. Like, is this it? Is this the one? I've been wanting like that hair that was like really thick all the way to the bottom, and then like you clip the ends to where it's like straight. Like the ends are like straight all the way across. Like, you all know the Instagram hair. Like, this is nice. Hold on. Let me show you the ends. So it is thick all the way to the ends. Like, this hair looks like, it looks good. Hold on. Let me show you this. It's giving. So these are some nice ends. Very thick. Oh, this may be it. This may be it. Let me see. The first time I ran my fingers through it, I did get like a little traction. I will say that. But like, it's not any shedding or anything. Like, okay, this is really nice. Like, this is thick. This is really nice. It smells good. Like, it kind of, like, the thickness reminds me of that Ho-Ho hair wig I got, almost low-key. But that's why I smelled it, because that hair had a really weird smell. But I don't think these are the same companies whatsoever. Let me try to pull a little hair out. I didn't get any hair out. I'm trying to. Okay, I got one strand right there. Seems pretty good. Like, love, the lace isn't bad or anything. Like, this is a nice color. It's gonna be easy to work with. No, it's not HD or anything, but we'll see how this hair goes when I actually try to bleach the knots and all of that. But like, this is really pretty. This is some really gorgeous hair right now. Like, it's absolutely giving. Like, that's what I'm talking about. So you can kind of see the frontal ends like around here, and then here's the rest of the hair. So it's not like too it's not like a really bad, like, choppy difference. Of course, the frontal isn't going to be 40 inches too, but it's not like a bad difference. This is really nice. Like, the ends are just giving. So I'm 5'7". This is, oh, hold on now. So I'm 5'7". Let me show y'all. Let me pull up my leggings. I'm 5'7". This is where the hair falls on me. It looks like, hold on. Oh, if this actually, when I put this wig on, hold on. Let me scoot back some. If when I put this wig on, it comes all the way down there, I'm gonna lose it. That's crazy. Hold on, let me scoot back even more. If it comes all the way down, no way. Hold on, let me look in the mirror. Like, let me lift it up a little. If it even comes past my butt, I'm gonna be hype. Like, I'm really not gonna know how to act. Like, just doing that, I can tell it's true to length, but let me get my measuring tape to be sure. 1 second, you all. Companies start their measuring like from up here, like from all the way up here, like to where the hair starts on the lace. I'm gonna start about here, because starting that far up doesn't make sense to me. But starting from right here, my measuring tape is a little twisted. We're getting about 40 inches, like, off the bat. Right there, we're getting 40 inches. Let me show you. So I'm still holding the wig right here. I'm not going to move my hand, do any kind of tricksy stuff. But let me show you all the measuring tape. So you all see that's 39, 40, and then it's about right there. It's a little past 40 if I'm holding it right here. That's really long. Very, very long. We're going to see if this really is 100% human hair when I start bleaching the knots and all of that. But it's giving. It's so long. It's so flowy. It's absolutely amazing right now. Like, of course, like always, I'm going to update you all. I'm going to come back with another video when I actually install the hair. Right now, it's absolutely giving. I'm very excited to put this hair in. I'm just excited. We'll see what happens with this hair. I'm going to link this hair in the description box and all of that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @MadamBrittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys.